How Microsoft Fabric improved sales and financial KPIs for a leading pharma manufacturer. The sales and finance team of a leading pharmaceutical manufacturer was trapped in a slow, labor-intensive reporting cycle. They spent weeks manually pulling data from multiple systems just to answer basic questions. Their challenges? Different systems gave conflicting data, making it impossible to trust or act on it quickly. Scattered information forced teams to spend weeks gathering and reconciling numbers instead of analyzing insights. Manual reporting consumed resources that should have gone toward strategy and decision-making. Kanerika solved these challenges by implementing Microsoft Fabric unified all sales and finance data in a Microsoft Fabric lakehouse, eliminating data conflicts, created a governed analytics structure that teams could trust and rely on, built Power BI dashboards that gave executives instant visibility into KPIs and trends. The results were evident: 95% reduction in reporting effort, 40% improvement in operational efficiency, 35% lower operational costs. Today, the pharma giant runs on trusted data. Are you ready to become a data-centric organization? Let's talk. Contact us at www.kanerika.com/meet.